Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of a well-designed storage solution cannot be overstated. A modern wardrobe goes beyond mere functionality. It serves as a reflection of personal style and enhances the overall aesthetic of a living space. With a focus on clean lines, innovative materials, and smart technology, contemporary wardrobe designs are transforming how we organize our belongings. This evolution in wardrobe design not only maximizes space but also promotes a sense of order and tranquility in our homes. As we explore various modern wardrobe designs, we will discover how these concepts can elevate both the functionality and beauty of our living environment. Modern wardrobe designs combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating spaces that are both practical and stylish. One popular trend is the use of minimalistic designs that emphasizes clean lines and open spaces. This approach often incorporates sliding doors or open shelving, allowing for easy access to clothing while maintaining a sleek look. Neutral colors like white, grays, and beige are commonly used, creating a calming atmosphere that can make a room feel larger and more organized. Another innovative idea is the integration of technology in wardrobe design. Smart wardrobe equipped with LED lighting, built-in speakers, and even automated systems that emphasizes organized clothing can enhance the user experience. For instance, motion sensor light can illuminate the interior when the doors are opened, making it easier making it easier to find items. Additionally, some designs feature charging stations for devices, merging convenience with style. Sustainable materials are also gaining popularity in modern wardrobe design. Many designers are option for eco-friendly options like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled materials, which not only reduce environmental impact but also adds unique character to the wardrobe. These materials can be combined with modern finishes such as matte or glossy surfaces to create a fresh and contemporary look. Customization is another key of aspect of modern wardrobe design. Many homeowners are choosing bespoke solutions that cater specifically to their storage needs. This can include adjustable shelving, pull-out drawers, and specialized compartments for accessories, shoes, and even jewelry. By tailoring the wardrobe in individual preferences, functionality is maximized and the overall aesthetic is enhanced. Lastly, incorporating mirror into the wardrobe designs can significantly improve both functionality and visual appeal. Lastly, incorporating mirrors into wardrobe designs can significantly improve both functionality and visual appeal. Full length mirrors can create the illusion of more space and enhance natural light, while mirror spaces can add a touch of elegance. Some designs clearly integrate mirrors into the doors or side panels, making them a seamless part of the overall wardrobe structure. In conclusion, modern wardrobe design is about blending practicality with style. By focusing on minimalism, technology, sustainability, customization, and the strategic use of mirrors. If you found these modern wardrobe design ideas inspiring and would like to stay updated with more tips, trends, and insights on home decor and organization, consider subscribing. By subscribing, you will receive regular updates directly to your YouTube channel, ensuring you never miss out on the latest design inspiration. Join our community today and elevate your living space with fresh ideas and expert advice. Thank you.